Shalom, shalom, everyone. Welcome to Victoria's Collection YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I had went to sleep real early. Was very exhausted from working all day. Doing my little entrepreneurship gigs and stuff. And I gotta really call. I think around to call my insurance company that I got for my cars, because I'm not even driving my older vehicle that my dad, who passed away, helped me get. I haven't been, excuse the light too, because it's it's basically going on 6 a.m. in the morning here, but it's not quite yet. It's like 5 something. I always go to sleep real early because I be so exhausted. So when I wake up, it be around this time. But I was looking at this inflation and how everything is just going up, and especially the car insurance and everything, like food, everything is going up. So it's just been eating up my little proceeds for my house sale, especially after I had brought the RV outright. It's just eating up all of my money. I'm pretty much down to nothing now, guys. I'm also been looking for other sources of income, and it's been hard because really it's not a lot out there. It's not really a lot out there. And even when I talked around to others, they were also struggling to find work as well. And some of them was able to keep their old job that they might have had, and some people pretty much was laid off and had to find more work. And they said they was waiting forever, like months and months. Some people said they was even waiting a year to hear back from an employer. So along with the inflations and along with all of this other stuff, it's a lot going on in the economy. But I gotta start calling around to find cheaper car insurance, because ever since I got that overlaps, my car insurance has been sky high. It was $348, and that's a bit much for it to be just just basic state liability with nothing else included. That's, to me, that's crazy. And they said that's why I was paying that much, because of the overlaps. So I gotta find something. I gotta find something cheaper, man, because that's like eating up my money to the point where I'm not claiming that. I know the Most High will help me as I do my part, but I gotta get ahead of that, guys. And if y'all can donate, all the ways to donate, all the ways to help me will be in the description box below this video. Because I was looking at how next month is already around the corner, and I do not have $450 to keep paying to park my RV here. So hopefully they'll move this application along, and then I gotta come out another $300 just to transport my RV. So I was trying to buy a towing vehicle outright as well, but it just, that my proceeds from my house it just wasn't enough to buy a RV outright and then also buy a towing vehicle outright. I tried to do that, but then when I calculated it for the price that they wanted for the towing vehicle, it pretty much would have left me with nothing to live off of until I can find other sources of income, if that makes sense. So I've been out doing my part. So guys, if y'all can donate, if y'all can help, please do that. Again, all the ways to donate will be in the description box below this video, and I always try to keep up to date with my PayPal fundraiser, so you can go there, guys. It's been so cold here. It's like been freezing, like the temperature is dropping. I've been keeping up what's been going on with the economy too, with a couple of doomsday preppers and others that report what's going on with the economy and stuff, and it's starting to get worse. They've been giving me updates on what's been going on and how we pretty much officially at war. Everybody know about the war in Israel, and how and then Ukraine and Russia and China and all of this stuff, and now they're saying it's going to start affecting us here in the US, and how you need to prepare and have solar panels, solar generators, gas generators, food, water, and all of this stuff, because they saying that bad weather been happening and power outages, and they saying the water supply gonna be low. Famine is starting to happen. Low food shortages in the grocery stores. I noticed when I went to the grocery store yesterday, because I go there almost every few days, and I noticed that it was barely a lot of like options left. So things are starting to get like lower and lower in the grocery stores. I don't know if y'all been noticing that as well, but I have, especially in my area. So yeah, guys, that's that. I kind of woke up because I went to sleep pretty early last night. I really needed some rest. Like again, I was so exhausted. And I'm finna try to lay back down again for a few minutes. And then I gotta get back up again and get back on the grind. It's back on the grind. I'm trying to think of what else I wanted to update y'all on. I'm trying to think, because I was up here looking like I gotta hurry up and find cheaper car insurance, because I know they said once you done paid it for like at least like a couple of months or a couple of days, not a couple of days, but like a couple of months, they'll start allowing you to like find cheaper car insurance, and they'll start going down on your car insurance. So hopefully if I can do that, because that plus that the RV insurance coming out, like I gotta hurry up and do something. Like that's crazy. Like that's a lot of money coming out that I ain't got. They keep taking that money out of my account. They gonna drain me to the point of nothing. So I gotta get ahead of this. But again, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and also go through my referral links. And I'm not gonna be doing any of that individual like specialty RV not I should say RV specialty links. You're just gonna have to go to the description box below this video where it says ways to donate. You'll see it'll say ways to donate, and it'll have the two butterflies, and if you scroll down up and down that, you'll find everything you need. The fundraiser, ways to donate. You'll find the opportunities for passive and active income. That's where you can sign up through my referral links, and that also helps me. Liking, sharing, and subscribing also helps me as well. But if I need enough people to get me to where I can get monetized, and then that can also help with income flow. So okay, guys, peace out, and I'll be keeping y'all updated with my day as I get the day started. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.